What if your employer finds out you joined a union? Could that cost you your job? Many Jamaican workers fear retaliation just for standing up for themselves. Let's clear it up. Can you be fired for joining a union in Jamaica? And what should you do if it happens? The short answer is no. It is illegal to fire an employee simply for joining a union in Jamaica. The law protects your right to join a trade union, take part in union activities, seek representation. What does the law state? Freedom of association is protected under Jamaican labor law. This means you do not need your employer's permission to join a union. Your employer cannot threaten, discipline, or dismiss you for union membership. This protection is recognized under the Labor Relations and Industrial Disputes Act. Common forms of union-related retaliation. Sometimes retaliation isn't obvious. Retaliation may look like sudden disciplinary action, reduced hours or pay, demotion, harassment or intimidation, being pressured to resign, termination shortly after joining a union. Timing matters. Let's look at when dismissal may still be lawful. Joining a union does not protect you from discipline for legitimate reasons. An employer may still take action if there is proven misconduct. There are genuine performance issues. The dismissal is unrelated to union activity. The reason for the dismissal matters. Here are the steps to take if you're threatened or fired. If you believe union membership led to your dismissal, act quickly. 1. Write down what happened and when. 2. Save messages, warnings, or emails. 3. Contact your union representative immediately. 4. Report the matter to the Ministry of Labor and Social Security, MLSS. What can you claim? If it's proven that union activity was the real reason, the dismissal may be ruled unfair. You may be entitled to remedies such as reinstatement, compensation, other relief ordered by the tribunal. Union rights are protected rights. Your job should never depend on your silence. Joining a union is a lawful choice, and intimidation or punishment for that choice is not allowed. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share so more Jamaican workers know their rights when it comes to unions and workplace protection. Stay informed. Stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.